What up, though?
Hey, y'all. How you doing?
We back to review.
We have a try haul again. A little bit of everything, as you can see. But we're going to start with the ice cream first because we don't want it all to melt. You want your own bar or are we sharing a bar?
I don't like ice cream.
So Reese's, these are a peanut butter bar. It says covered in milk, chocolate coatings, and cake crumbs. So I think it's kind of going to be kind of like the good bars. Here, hold.
I don't know what a good bar is.
It had the chocolate on it. It had the strawberry one with the strawberry in the inside. The strawberry ones were really good. So that's
what
this.
You call it, a good bar?
Yeah, because that's the company. The rest of those are going to get put up so we don't melt them all. Yeah, it's got the similar little crunchy cake things that the things have. And that should be a peanut butter ice cream.
Nah.
We don't like it?
Try can. Water. To me. You could have closed it down.
It's not bad. It's not like one of those wow factor things that you're like, oh my god, I gotta get that again. But it's all good peanut butter flavor.
I'm just not a Reese's person. I am a Reese's peanut butter cup person, but when y'all start creating things to go with it, I'm not with it.
Their drumstick is really good. I like their drumstick.
I don't really care for it.
So what do you want to try and get next?
We need something savory. Let's try. Shout out to Shirley B. She tried these before we got to.
So late night sizzling cheeseburger.
Yeah, see. What you talking about?
You know, Emmy always says you gotta go upside down.
Hold on, smell test. Pause. Smell like mustard.
And pickle.
Pickle, yeah. That's what she. Never mind.
But you like pickled Doritos, so.
Man, that's a cheeseburger. It ain't no way
it has that
a cheeseburger.
grilled flavor, like a grilled burger.
Oh my goodness! I am not confused. Them fire. Are you get some nacho, like a nacho? Oh my goodness!
I don't know about nacho.
Make some nachos out of them. Get your hamburger.
You can definitely taste the pickle and like a grill type of flavor from the meat.
Them fire.
Late night sizzling cheeseburger. We found them at Kroger's.
Bussin'. Them bussin'.
Okay.
Taste test over, man. We hope y'all enjoyed this video. Them fire.
Okay. Right. So what next? So we got these cinnamon bun Oreos. We got them from Park Market, which is our little Oriental.
What they say? Not Oreo.
Oreo. There's a little Oriental joint around here, so we ain't never seen cinnamon roll Oreos.
Let's do it.
Oh, they come in 2 little packs.
Oh, so they fired already.
Wow.
2 packs of 3.
No.
$10 for that. I'm just playing. It didn't cost $10. It felt like it though.
I would tell you what the serving size is, but it's all in a foreign language. Oh. 2 servings.
Smell like cinnamon.
There's 5 in a pack, so you get 10 cookies. Are you getting cinnamon bun?
Let's give them cinnamon.
I'm not really.
Let's pretty much give them cinnamon.
I'm not getting a big hint of cinnamon.
Not a big hint. We can taste a little cinnamon in there.
If you like it tastes like a graham cracker.
With a little cinnamon on it.
Like Teddy Grahams.
If you like that, get on.
If you like Teddy Grahams. With some cream. That's not bad.
What y'all young kids say? Them mid. Ain't that what the youngsters say? They mid. That's what we're gonna do the popping. We're gonna try to hit y'all with the $2 popping. You feel me? I'm sorry, the $1.25 store.
Jalapeno cheddar.
Yep.
So it's supposed to be like a jalapeno cheddar popper. And how you get the... Now these give what's supposed to get gave.
They what? Give me what they supposed to give what they supposed to give.
You can taste the cheddar, you can taste the jalapeno.
Don't burn blue.
I got a cheese puff
Texture.
texture.
Let me taste that jalapeno, but like a real jalapeno.
Yeah.
You know, most of them like artificial. This tastes like you just bit a jalapeno.
Tastes more fresh jalapeno than pickled.
Yeah.
That's what it is. So if you like anything jalapeno cheddar, those are actually really good. The Chester poppers.
Yeah. Good.
I think we got those from the Dollar Tree and we got these from the Dollar Tree.
$1.25 tree. Let's do it.
Ding, ding, dong.
Let's try Twinkies first. No. They giving very much throwaway in the trash. That's caramel popcorn.
Yeah. Enjoy the classic flavor of Twinkies now in a light, crisp, sweet. Perfect.
That's the caramel popcorn. You get on the side with that cheddar popcorn and that butter.
Caramel popcorn is better than this.
Dang!
It's got a light hint of sweetness to it, but not like caramel popcorn has a whole bunch of sweetness. That just has a slight hint. It's not bad if you like a sweeter popcorn.
I don't like chocolate, so I know these gonna be.
So these look like they're chocolate. What am I thinking? You know them Cocoa Krispies? Or the outside chocolate flavor of the Ding Dong? That's what you're getting with this. Do I like it? The outside flavor? I don't know.
That's trash. That is dumpster water. That's garbage can water.
I ate 2 pieces. I love Ding Dongs. I don't know. That leaves a horrible aftertaste.
Some of y'all some Ding Dongs in the world.
Horrible aftertaste. I would not recommend any of those popcorns.
How about these? Oh.
Tiramisu Thins. Oreo. But they probably all cracked up and broke up as much as she's dropping them. Have y'all had a Thin before?
Oh, it smells like coffee.
I told her tiramisu is espresso, so it's gonna have a coffee flavor. If you like tiramisu, you will like this. If you like coffee, you will like this. These are not bad. I see why it's a thin, because if you had too much of that cream, and probably too much coffee, overwhelming.
I mean, like, they should just call this a mocha latte or something.
Espresso. They could call it an espresso.
I ain't never tried espresso, so I don't know what espresso tastes like.
I mean, it's just pure, like, dark coffee, pretty much, espresso.
That's gross.
That's what they soak the ladyfingers in the
These ain't new no more.
They're new when we got them.
Months ago.
Do you want to pop?
What's the expiration date?
You want to pop one in? You want to pop it in toaster?
Nope. We good right here. That toaster smell like everything burning every time.
Frosted chocolatey chip pancake. Have y'all tried them? I don't know. I think Pop-Tart comes out with all kinds of weird flavors now. So you see the little chocolate chips in it? It doesn't look like any funny.
Hot. I'll probably be better. But
I asked you non-toasted. Is it giving you chocolate chip pancake?
it's giving me a Pop-Tart. Because that's all I taste is the Pop-Tart.
It's dough. It's the crust. I'm trying to get just the inside.
That's what she said. Pop-Tart. Just the outside crispy of the Pop-Tart.
Yeah.
The shell of the Pop-Tart. That's what it tastes like. The shell of a Pop-Tart.
Not fully cooked shell. And it tastes a little
Bland.
like
Yeah.
doughy.
I guess it's what pancake taste like. I don't.
My pancakes don't taste doughy.
Well, I'm not staying for this pancake disrespect.
I try. Let me see them Doritos one more time.
Best thing out of the bunch was those.
Nah, these was hard.
So this is actually trash.
No.
What do you mean? You're being nice. I've been quiet this whole time. No, this is terrible. Oh, yeah, look at that.
Production loves pancakes. He says it's trash.
These right here, buddy.
Those were good. These were good. The Oreo tiramisus, if you liked the coffee or tiramisu or espresso, that is definitely worth trying. Those are pretty good.
I mean, the problem is, though, with that, is I like all the flavors with the coffee flavors. I feel like with the thins, you don't actually get enough. I know you were saying that it felt like there was the right amount, but if you like a lot of it, that you're gonna have to like split it and add the two together to get enough.
Yeah, it's not a whole big like pal, like an espresso, but you can get the hint of it. Like a tiramisu, you get the hint, so that's good. Other than
My
that,
sister like these.
yeah.
Gina, if you watching, pick you up some. They just for you. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment down below, share us out to one or more people that don't know what we're doing over here. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that post notification bell so you will know every time we upload a video. Every day you wake up.
It's another day for greatness.
So, until the next video,
Review.
see you on the flip side.
Peace.